little Trane XC, high efficiency, climate tough reset, and it does have 3 blades. It seems to be running. Yes, it has 1999. It's on. It's a 1999. I think it's a 2-ton, and I'm gonna look for a reversing valve. I don't think this is a heat pump. Yeah, there's the climate tough in it, right there. This is such a pretty little unit here. It's been on, so it's gonna probably turn on. It's a beautiful one. I love this unit. Trane. Baby Trane unit. It's a 2-ton. I can tell by the look. I might have to look at the data one more time. For 24 in it, and number. So probably 18.5 tons. GE fan motor. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out. Love you.